Hi, my name is Procheta Mallik. I'm the principal scientist and a trustee at ISPF. I completed my PhD in the UK and Scotland in astronomy many years ago, and since then I've always wanted to get involved in grassroots science education in India. There's of course a whole body of research to show that experiential way of learning, hands-on, is the best way, in fact the only way to learn science, and ISPF gave me the opportunity to do that. Once returning to India. We've been very closely associated with the Raman Research Institute Trust, for example, and we are sitting in their property in Sir C.V. Raman's old home here in the heart of Bangalore, and with them we conduct this annual contest called the Raman Awards, which happens every year. We have thousands of students register and 100 actually come to attend the finals on these very grounds every year. So this is a call to action to all children as well as teachers to register for the Raman Awards and submit your entries, your hands-on science innovative entries, and come here and join us to take part in this wonderful event. We hope to see you then. Thank you.